What's up guys, Malik here and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be looking at some supply and demand zones that presented some opportunities today. I didn't make any trades on the market today, but we're going to actually look into this and see where we could have made some trades if it would have presented itself, right? So this is on the Nasdaq 100. I used the Owanda brokerage or data set. So if I was to like replay this, right? So if I go back to Tuesday at 9:30, and that was today, of course. So Tuesday at 9:30, let's do the candle before and see if it actually showed you anything. So the candle before, while the candle before was actually going on with this supply and demand order block indicator, it can tell you some supply and demand zone. So this is a demand zone. I guess it picked that up from this V here. I'm trying to learn supply and demand as well to incorporate it in my strategy. So the next candle after that, let's see how it reacted to this demand zone. So it basically hit down there. It found a supply zone here. Basically hit here and wouldn't really break down into that supply zone, into this demand zone. And then the next candle, bearish, it started to push a bit down. Strong rejection off that supply zone. I'm hoping you can understand what I'm looking at here. If you don't really understand, I mean, it's just going to take some time. Just you listening to my videos and listening to it over and over. And I'm going to actually employ the strategy so you can see it work and make money. But I'm trying to find like some high probability strategies to incorporate with my other strategy, which is the bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing. I'm thinking there might be a bullish engulfing on next candle. Let me add this and kind of remove a lot of the distractions. Let me remove a lot of the distractions. Remove the SMAs. I could actually do just big ass candles and remove the sessions. So look at this. This is going to be a bullish engulfing plus a top of the bullish engulfing, not this one, but a bullish engulfing plus a top of demand zone. Look at that. That was crazy. That was a crazy candle for 9:30. And to think you opened down here. Kind of looked like a demand setup. That big move. They had a little reversal to kind of trick you, fake you out. And then we had that move, like a continual move to the upside. But you can see a little trend there where it kind of pushes down before starting to gap up. But this would have been a immaculate move. So that's already 100 pips. So at a 0.1 or 1 would have been a good trade. I'm just seeing if the strategy is showing us accurate supply and demand zones, right? So if we were to take it back now, let's go back to replay mode, and like if we were here at 9 o'clock, right? We already had a demand zone, basically. Like basically the chart was touching a demand zone and it didn't actually break down. And typically when you see something like that, you can take it to the upside, because it kind of pushed into the zone. If you had a closer stop loss, it took you out. If you had a stop loss below here, you'd have been gravy. And look at that gnarly move there before starting that nice trend up. So that's what I'm looking at for the Nasdaq 100. As I said, I made no trades today, but just to kind of show you what I'm working with and what I'm probably gonna use. Wish I could show this, but there's one indicator called TMA overlay, and the other indicator is, I think it's order block. I don't know which one it is actually. I'm sorry. I'm not sure. Sorry. Well, I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to become super rich and profitable from this, as well as in my other ventures. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.